Hey, boy.
Yes. Socialization.
Oh my Jesus Christ! He just went backward.
Brianna.
Yeah. So lately, I've been really sad. Okay.
Shoes.
Shoes are not.
Shoes.
Bad.
Are not
Shoes.
the Calvin Klein ones.
My laptop.
Ow!
Oh.
You hit
Oh my
me
God, are
in
you
the
okay?
face. Stop! I'm gonna.
You guys are just petting me. You just ruined it. Get out.
What happened?
Hey, come on.
Get out.
Oh, sorry.
You just ruined everything. Oh, you got that on recording. No. Summer has come and passed. Music. I don't know where it's at. Get out! No! I need this Nemo on an emo.
Have you heard?
Hi. Your decision.
Short legs, too short.
Oh shoot. What'd you say?
Sorry, dog outside. It's 5 o'clock. Oh my God, are you okay? I'm so. Are you okay? Sometimes like they.
Oh.
Dude, we have to clean this up.
It's bad.
Kenneth, what are we doing?
Oh.